Hi, my name is Karina Perkins, and I hope that you're doing well today. I wanted to thank you for taking out the time to be with me and to learn about prostate cancer. So, we're going to start by talking about our bodies. Our bodies are made up of tiny microscopic cells. We have healthy cells in our brain, and our tissue, our skin, our organs, and in every area of our bodies. Healthy cells grow and then divide to create more healthy cells. This process of cell division and growth is called mitosis. Mitosis is how our bodies form healthy cells. This is how our bodies grew from being a baby to a toddler to a child to a teenager and now to an adult. So, when cells divide and grow too quickly, the cells become unregulated and uncontrolled. These cells stop communicating with healthy cells and can even become unanchored and travel to other parts of our bodies. These abnormal cells are called cancer cells. So, why do cells grow out of control? Well, DNA mutation. DNA holds our hereditary material from our parents and our genes. Genes are segments of our DNA within our cells. They contain instructions for making specific proteins, which perform various functions in the body. Each gene encodes a protein, and these proteins regulate cell growth, division, and other essential processes. So now, when there's a gene variant in our proteins, these variants can lead to minor changes in the proteins that they code for. Now, mutations, on the other hand, are more significant alterations in our DNA sequence, and they can impact protein function and behavior. Certain mutations create oncogenes, which are genes that promote uncontrolled cell growth. These mutations can turn a normal cell into a cancer cell. Other mutations are mutations in the tumor suppressor genes that can disable their ability to regulate cell growth. Without proper control, cells may become cancerous. Mutations in the DNA repair genes impair the cell's ability to fix the DNA damage, and accumulated mutations can eventually lead to cancer. So, how do you get cancer? Well, just like I previously mentioned, DNA mutations. Also, it could be hereditary, where it's passed down your bloodline from your father, your grandfather, your great grandfather. But also, cancer is caused by many factors: endocrine factors, immune factors, lifestyle factors, environmental pollution, many reasons. A large survey in the internationally famous medical journal, The Lancet, shows that obesity and being overweight will increase the risk of cancer. So, what is prostate cancer? Well, according to the American Cancer Society, prostate cancer is when the cells in the prostate start to grow out of control. The prostate is a gland found only in males, not in females. It makes some of the fluid that is a part of the semen. The prostate, like this picture illustrates, is a small walnut shaped gland that is below the bladder and in front of the rectum. Just behind the prostate gland is the seminal vesicle that makes most of the fluid in semen. The urethra is a small tube that runs through the prostate to carry urine and semen out of the penis. That's why a lot of symptoms for prostate cancer are frequent urination, weak interruption urine flow, blood in the seminal fluid, a need to strain and empty your bladder, blood in the urine, pain or burning during urination, the urge to urinate, and also erectile dysfunction. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention in 2020, these are some statistics in the United States for prostate cancer. So, African American men are at a higher risk of prostate cancer. White Caucasian men are coming in second as a high risk. Hispanic, American Indian, and Asian and Pacific Islanders come in at a third, fourth, and fifth place. More statistics show that from the age 45 up, men are at risk for prostate cancer, and ages 65 to 80, you can see the high increase of men who tested positive for prostate cancer. So, prostate cancer is the second most commonly diagnosed cancer in men. Every day, around 3,900 men are diagnosed with prostate cancer, and about 1,000 men are dying from it. However, the National Library of Medicine states that there's no evidence yet on how to prevent prostate cancer. However, it is possible to lower the risk by limiting high fat foods, increasing the intake of vegetables and fruits, and performing more exercise. Screening is highly recommended at age 45 for men with familial history and African American men. Up-to-date statistics on prostate cancer occurrence and outcomes, along with a better understanding of the different factors, are essential for the primary prevention of prostate cancer. So, how is prostate cancer treated? Well, in cancer care, different types of doctors, including medical oncologists, surgeons, and radiation oncologists, often work together to create an overall treatment plan that may combine different types of treatment to treat the cancer. This is called a multidisciplinary team. Treatment options and recommendations depend on several factors, including the type and stage of cancer, possible side effects, and the patient's preferences and overall health. How is prostate cancer treated? Well, there's many different options. There's radiation treatment, hormone therapy, chemotherapy, surgery, immunotherapy. What are the different treatments, what it does, and the possible side effects? Well, surgery removes the cancerous tissue and the prostate. Hormone therapy minimizes presence of androgens, which fuel prostate cancer growth. Radiation slows prostate cancer cell growth by targeting cells externally or by injection. You can read the rest of the list. There's many different options based off of, again, the stage of cancer and what the patient is looking for. The survival rate for prostate cancer. It's important to remember that statistics on the survival rates for people with prostate cancer are only an estimate. They cannot tell an individual person if cancer will or will not shorten their life. Instead, these statistics describe trends in groups of people previously diagnosed with the same disease, including specific stages of the disease. The 5-year relative survival rate for prostate cancer in the United States is 97%. The 10-year relative survival rate is 98%. The survival rate for prostate cancer varies based on several factors. These include the stage and grade of the cancer, a person's age and general health, and how well the treatment plan works. Another factor that can affect outcomes is the type of prostate cancer. Some primary sources are listed, and then as well as the secondary sources. And again, thank you so much for taking this time to be with me and to learn about prostate cancer. You have a great day. And again, thank you for being here. Bye.